Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into an intermediate bachata combo that's perfect for solo social dancing. We'll be focusing on adding sexy hip movements to really bring out your femininity and confidence on the dance floor. Whether you're looking to elevate your style or just want to challenge yourself with some new moves, this combo will help you feel empowered and shine. So when you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to face away from you so that it's easier for you to follow me. And we're going to start with the box step variation that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me break this down. On 1, we're going to step with our right to the side. On 2, with our left to the back. On 3, with our right to the back. And on 4, we tap with our left together. Then on 5, we're going to step with our left diagonally to the back. On 6, with our right together. On 7, with our left diagonally forward. And on 8, we tap with our right together. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the hips. So what I like to do here is to use figure 8 hip movement. So on 1, when we step with our right to the side, we're going to move our hips in a circular motion to the right. Okay, so this is the first part of the figure 8 hip movement. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on 2, on 3, and on 4 when we tap, we're bringing our left hip up to the side. Now on 5, when we step with our left diagonally to the back, we're going to move our hips to the side, so to the left in this case. Stay here on 6. And on 7, when we step with our left diagonally forward, we'll bring our hips back to the center. And on 8, we bring our right hip up into the side. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the arms, and now I'm going to face you so that you can see what I'm doing. So on 1, we're going to place our palms on our thighs and start sliding them up. Okay, so we go 1, 2. Now our right arm, I'm mirroring you now, okay? So our right arm stays in the place with our elbow pointing out to the side, fingers down and thumb forward, and our left arm will keep going up. Now on 2, we'll start rotating our left hand forward so that our fingers are pointing forward. Then up, then behind our head, and here, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when I'm in this position, or when I start rotating my hand, I'm bringing my elbow to the back, then down, then forward, and to the side again. Okay, like this. To the side, to the back, down, forward, and to the side. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, we're going to bring our elbow to the other side, okay? On 5, 6, and then on 7, 8, we'll slide our arm across our body towards our hip. Let's go one more time from here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's put it together with the feet movement, and I'm going to face away from you again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want, what you can do here is look to your left, diagonally to the left on 6, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on 7, we'll come back to the center and we'll stay here on 8. Let's go again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now let's move on. From here we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, we're going to step with our right to the side and start moving our hips in a figure 8 motion. So we go to the right, to the left, to the right, and on 4, we tap with our left together. Now, if you want, you can emphasize this movement a little bit and use your heels as well. So when we're moving our hips to the right, you can rotate your left heel in and then repeat the same thing to the other side with your right, then again with your left, and on 4, we come back to the center. Let's go together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also bend your knees a little bit more. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes to arms, you can have them either on your thighs or your hips or just next to your body like this. Let's go together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 4, we will cross our arms in front of our body like this, and this will be a preparation for what's coming next, okay? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put it together with the rest. Let's go from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's add the last 4, 8 count. From here we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 5, we're going to step with our left forward and point our toes diagonally to the right. On 6, we'll shift our body weight on our right and start turning to the back. On 7, step with our left to the back, and on 8, tap with our right together. Okay, let's try it together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's add the arms. I'm going to face you and mirror you so that you can see what I'm doing. So we finished here with our arms crossed in front of our body. On 5, we're going to drop them down and bring them up. Now on 6, we're going to bring our left arm forward and our right arm to the back like this. And we are sliding them onto our right shoulder, then sliding them away from each other on 7, and on 8, bringing them down towards the hips. So again, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together with the turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, ladies. And now let's go from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last time, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side basic twice. And we go from the top. that was all for this dance class. Thank you very much for dancing with me. If you want to see more content like this, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. In the meantime, you can check out this video and learn another intermediate combo, and you can find all of my Bachata lady styling tutorials in this playlist.